y'all? It's your boy Bright. Back with no video, you know what I'm saying? And this is the first video of Vlogmas, you know what I'm saying? So, we started today's video outside. Coming from, we leaving somewhere. I'll show y'all a little bit where I was at. This is for a later video later on throughout the week. You know, for Vlogmas, you gotta plan ahead. But yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm quitting my job. Why am I quitting my job? Because I don't want to be a 9-to-5 guy. Since I was a kid, I never wanted to be a 9-to-5 guy. I always had big dreams. Always wanted to be somebody, you know what I'm saying? And working my job ain't gonna keep me there. You know what I'm saying? It's too much time consuming. It's just depressing. It's too much time consuming. It's just not where I want to be in my life, you know what I'm saying? So now, I quit my job yesterday. Today's the 1st. I gave them no warnings, you're supposed to give them like what, a 2-week warning or whatever. I ain't do none of that, you know what I'm saying? I quit. Hail Mary through it full court. You know what I'm saying? And I got no regrets. Because I got dreams I gotta chase. And really, bro, I watched Kai Cenat. Then I watched that subathon. That subathon inspired me like no other, you know what I'm saying? Just watching Kai grind, like his hard workingness, whatever word is, his hard work motivated me, you know what I'm saying? And then when he had Kyrie on stream and Kyrie was talking about Kobe's work ethic and stuff like that, just really motivated me to be like, yeah, I gotta lock in, bro. Oh shit. Bro, it's crazy because I look left and right and I didn't see them. And that little baby ass horn, like I'm supposed to hear that shit. That's my fault too, though. I know I look left and right. I'll take blame though. But yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Watching Kai Subathon and then Kyrie talking about Kobe's work ethic and how Kobe was so locked in and how Kyrie be locked in and this is like all they do. Like wherever they hustle is, wherever they do in life, that's all they do. That's all they think about. That's all they work for. They just keep grinding for it. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, okay, I gotta be the same way. I gotta lock into a passion of mine and take it serious and not mess up. You know what I'm saying? Just keep going, keep fighting. So I'm locked in. We daily upload the whole December. The goal is to get monetized. You know what I'm saying? And what motivated me to do a Vlogmas 30 days straight was Casper. I think he did it last year. And he just motivated me to do it. So I was like, yeah, that's some fun shit right here. Nice, some mom, not it. But like I was saying, watching Casper do his little his 30 days inspired me to be like, alright, let's try it. So the goal out of the 30 days is to get 1K subs on YouTube and then get monetized. If it don't happen, we're not gonna give up. Cause that's the point. Kai ain't give up. Kyrie ain't give up. Kobe ain't give up. So we ain't gonna give up. We're gonna keep fighting. We're just gonna keep, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep on keeping on. Because they ain't give up, so why am I gonna give up? So I'm gonna lock in. We're gonna daily upload. And we're gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna, they don't see me right here. Like, yeah, like, fuck. If I rev my car and blow all the eardrums, I should blow all the eardrums on phone now. I should do it, but I ain't gonna do it. Alright, but like I was saying, that was mad rude. I'm not here. They don't hear my loud ass car right in front of them. But, what was I talking about? But yeah, pretty much, we ain't gonna give up. We're gonna keep striving. We're gonna vlog 30 days straight, road to monetization. And if we don't get it, we still gonna keep striving. We're gonna keep fighting, you know what I'm saying? Because I got dreams. And we ain't gonna get there by just giving up. You ain't gonna get to the end of the road by not driving to the end of the road. You gotta keep driving. And if you ain't got no gas in the car, stop, get some gas, keep driving. I feel like that was such a bad motivational speech, but get what I be trying to say when I be speaking, you feel me? Like, at the end of the day, we gonna lock in. We're gonna strive together. We're going together. I feel like I said that wrong too. I'm out here acting like I don't know how to talk to the camera no more. I'm getting nervous. I'm out here trying to tell you how real locked in I am. I'm trying to really preach it to y'all. Like, this ain't no game. Like, I want y'all to come back to this video. If it's 30 days from now, 2 months from now, a year from now, like, yo, this man, Bright, had 200 subscribers, no monetization, fine shit. Is she fine shit? Let me see. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Bright had no girl, no motion, just a Durango, just him and the Durango. You feel me? Ooh, that shit look hard. All Bright had was a Durango and some dreams. You feel me? That's all Bright had. All Bright had was a Durango and some dreams. And what did he do with that shit in a month, in a year? He had 100K subscribers, monetization, Hellcat, SRT. You know what I'm saying? That boy Bright really done change the world. He inspiring people. Florida jet. They have nothing going for himself. Just be cooling. Out the way. No money. Now out here, Hellcat, Beamer, his own crib. I stay at my people's right now. I stay at my people's. You know what I'm saying? He really out here doing it. What's a G-Wagon? That bit hot as shit. That man Bright really out here did it. He said he was gonna do it. He ain't let no one get in the way of it. So, you know what I'm saying? That's the goal. My goal is really to really lock in and inspire and motivate y'all how I was motivated by Kai. You know what I'm saying? Kai motivated me so much that I need to motivate others. Like, you know what I'm saying? It was Kai and who Casper. Them two motivated me so much that I want to motivate others. So I've been always wanting to do that, but I never lock in and actually do it. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Y'all see that car here to the left? It's a GT. It's expensive. So they didn't even try that shit. They put it right in the car. That's super. That shit hard. Y'all probably think this man had a car show. These clean ass cars. Y'all gonna see that content another day. You know what I'm saying? 30 days straight, we got spaced out this content. But like I was preaching to y'all, that man Bright said he was gonna do it, and he did it. You know what I'm saying? He did it. He out here top of the world. Him and his cousins lit. You know what I'm saying? Getting all this money on. You know what I'm saying? They did that shit. How'd they do it? By not giving up. By keep on working. Daily uploading. After my 30 days straight on December for Vlogmas, then I want to do like 2-3 times a week. You know what I'm saying? What I'm hoping, you know what I'm saying, because we gotta have hope. I'm hoping that we get monetized like halfway out throughout the. Oh shit! I'm out here talking, y'all, losing my dreads. I'm hoping that we get monetized halfway throughout the month. And then throughout the end of the month, we out here getting some money on. The goal for real is to make enough money to where YouTube pays for my car note. You know what I'm saying? That's really my main bill right now. And then after YouTube takes care of my car note, then I want YouTube to help me get my Hellcat. And then after YouTube helps me get my Hellcat, YouTube gonna help me get this Beamer. You know what I'm saying? And then after the Beamer, it's gonna help me get a crib. You know what I'm saying, y'all? And it's not just YouTube. We got many sources of income. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, from the clothing brand and other stuff that we do. But like, YouTube's how we gonna start off everything. You know what I'm saying? YouTube and TikTok, IG Reels, stuff like that. But yeah, so I'm out here just telling y'all, manifesting what we gonna do, how we gonna get to it. You feel me? And if y'all wanna know where I'm at, I'm in Florida. I live in Palm Beach. That's Wellington Mall. So anybody got a car, you a friend of cars, you like cars, your friend got a car, your daddy got a car, your girlfriend got a car, we can link up. You know what I'm saying? We can make car content because I love cars and cars love me. So yeah, I need some car friends. I will tell you this. I said this in a video that I already recorded for later on this week, but in that video, it kind of inspired me going to this little cars thing. It inspired me to really want, either I want a girl that's in the cars like me, that like, or she ain't gotta be in the cars, just like eventually learn cars. We both have nice ass cars, and we pull up and shit like this into a couple of shit, both have nice cars. Or I want a friend group that's like me and the guys, we all in the car, we love doing cars, and, you know what I'm saying, car contest shit, car group shit. One or the other, you know what I'm saying? Because I see everybody out here with their friends. I see people out here with their girlfriend. They got a girl got a car, they got a car, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, I'm trying to get like them, you know what I'm saying? Like, so it's either one or the other, you know what I'm saying? Because I came straight on my dolo stuff, you know what I'm saying? I really ain't got too many friends. I really be to myself. I got 1 to 2 friends. I really ain't got no friends for us. So hopefully after this journey, well, during the journey, I meet good people, righteous people that's really trying to be on the same page as me, you know what I'm saying? To be consistent, do YouTube, you know what I'm saying? That's the goal, you know what I'm saying? Like, as I succeed, hopefully I have people that's trying to succeed just like me. That's what I gotta say. You stay in Florida, Palm Beach. You know what I'm saying? I go to Miami a lot too, so you don't gotta be in Palm Beach, but Palm Beach is where I reside. So if you stay over here, but my car's like it's glitching. Let me know, because I'm trying to collab. I'm trying to pull up to a car show like this for like 5 of us. And we don't all gotta have Hellcats. We don't gotta have Mopar. I could have a Hellcat. You could have an M340. One could have an M4. One could have an actual M3 comp, X6 comp. It don't matter. You could have a Honda Supra. It don't matter. Mustang. I just want a group of guys that we all on the same page. You feel me? I want to talk to these guys that have the Christmas lights on their car, because I want to do that for a video and drive my car around and get videos and shit. But I gotta figure that out. My friend might help me with that. Is that some fun shit? I'm out here trying to motivate y'all, but then nope. Well, that's all some fun shit. I'm really in the parking lot driving around looking at cars and I'm talking to y'all. I like looking at cool shit. Cool shit motivate me. So like looking at all these nice expensive cars at this little car event, it really inspired me and motivated me. If you see it, touch it, believe, you can have it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta see stuff to believe it, to motivate to have it. I live in Florida. I go downtown, I go look at Bill Gates houses and be like, yeah, this can happen, I can get it. Bill Gates got it, I can get it. I see these nice cars out here. I see a Porsche 911. I'm saying GTRS. I don't even want one, but it's like, you know what I'm saying, I see it, I touched it, I believe it, I can have one too, you feel me? See, when I got this Durango, I said the same time I got a drink. Before I got this Durango, I sat in one, I touched one, I test drove it, and I got it like maybe like a half a year later, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta see it to believe it, to have it, you feel me? What's up? They trying to talk to me or something? I ain't trying to talk right now. I can't drop my window because I got this on it. But yeah, that could have been friends right there. That's me right here blocking blessings. I hold on there. That could be my next friend, help me motivate me to collab with me. Look like they had a Chrysler too. But I'm out here talking to her right now. Y'all more important right now. More blessings gonna come my way. And they're pointing. They ain't like say you dropped the one. They were just pointing at my car. So I don't know if they was really trying to talk to me or not. But y'all get the message. We quit the job. We're locking in on the ground. Damn, I almost hit that man. We quit the job. We locked in. We chasing this dream. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make it right here because I want to show y'all this car. Oh, never mind. I thought they had it on their car. I see this Mustang right here. It looked like it had the little Christmas lights on it. It do got the Christmas lights on it. If y'all probably can't see it, but I want my car to have Christmas lights on it. I'm gonna figure it out. What was I saying? Everyday grind started in December 1st. I'm talking to her today right now. It's December 1st. It's the 1st. We ain't playing no games. 30, we not playing no games. We locked in. We finna put 200 on the dash. So we put 200 dash for the content of creating this stuff. We ain't missing no. We locking in. But you know what I'm what I'm saying? We'll come back again tomorrow with Vlogmas day number 2.